Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best oven toasters that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Oster Large Capacity Countertop 6-Slice Oven Toaster. Do you want a giant capacity toaster that can serve your family better? The Oster Large Capacity Countertop Oven Toaster is a perfect choice as it can hold up to 6 slices, hence saves time. It also employs the convection technology that enables it to cook faster and efficiently. The toaster also features a digital control system with interior light for viewing. Besides being able to hold up to 6 slices, it has a large interior that can hold 13 by 9 pan, casseroles, and ham among others. Get it today by making your order now, and it shall be delivered within the estimated time. At number 4. Breville B0V450XL Mini Smart Oven Toaster. Are you looking for the best toaster to accommodate your small family? This is a high-quality mini oven toaster that is recommended for small families as it supplies only 4 slices. This is an ergonomic and versatile toaster with up to 8 preset cooking functions. It is also a sturdy oven toaster that has about 1800 watt elements and employs the Element IQ technology for quick cooking. It is also one of the most affordable toasters on the market. You need to give a try. Get it today, and you will like it. At number 3. Cuisinart CPT180MR Metal Classic Toaster. This is a two-in-one toaster that features a smooth brushed stainless housing to give you the best performance. It has dual control system panels that enable it to deliver excellent and reliable services just as expected. It also has 6 settings that makes it suitable for different activities. You can now find the toaster online where it is available at a pocket-friendly price. This toaster comes with up to 3-year limited warranty. Get it today, and you will never regret since it is one of the best on the market today. The compact stainless Cuisinart 4-slice toaster brings retro classic design to your home and delivers performance with powerful features such as reheat, bagel and defrost functions. Cleanup is easy with the removable crumb tray. It even has a cord wrap underneath the unit to manage unsightly power cords while not in use. At number 2. BLACKDECKER CTO6335S Digital Convection Oven Toaster. For the best toast, you will need a smart and capable oven toaster just like the BLACKDECKER CTO6335S. It is a great and modern oven toaster with digital control, making it very ergonomic. You will be able to control all the functions, bake, temperature, and broil among others. It also has a convection heating system that enables it to toast quality and tasty bread you will love. This toaster is very accurate and efficient as it has a 120-minute timer. Finally at number 1. Breville B0V800XL Smart Oven Toaster. Breville B0V800XL is a high-quality and very capable oven toaster that delivers just as expected. The toaster has Element IQ that enables it to provide the correct power for the toasting. Besides this, it also has up to 9 preset functions that make it a versatile toaster you don't want to miss. With the large and easy-to-read LCD screen, you will find it very ergonomic and one of the best on the market today. Get started with this great toaster today, and you will never miss the tasty and mouth-watering bread toast you love. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.